this for me. Who's a burping contest?
Did you ever try to talk while you burp?
Yes, one time I go, I'm a man. I'll do it again.
Where'd that webcam come from? Get away from you. I've never seen a water bed in my I'll put sauce and stuff in front of these so they Look, we can get on there too. You're making it live. It's me.
Do you want to be in our video? Drinking your beer?
Hey, let's try to get a photo. Yeah, let's do it. Mom's chugging beer. Mom, our kids would die.
I got your face.
Well. Burp. Okay, let me try.
I have to turn this down a little bit.
Yeah, I saw the YouTube. My kids showed me the YouTube that had the little baby. Don't make me walk it. Oh, you know, a tiny baby, and it's just laughing.
I've never heard it.
Oh, that
yeah,
was
we
cute.
were
And then
thinking, like the omen was going on because like it got really windy and all the blinds were
That was so scary. We thought someone was.
yeah, they were. That was good. There's no way I can top that. Wait, fart like that.
We're gonna have a better with Luke here. These don't make me burp.
This is not even good burp. I think we need to drink.
Mom, were you there that one time when I burped and I was like, I'm a man?
And I go up, and I love that. So cute. I
That was
need to
great.
hear about your man burp. I mean, I need to hear you say.
I just have to drink a little bit more.
Here. Here's a dollar, Becky.
I was like laughing and. I can't. Wait, that orgasm. Try doing that, it helps. Oh my god, last year I used to squeeze my boobs and made my burps better.
Please help. Just kidding.
Okay, we'll do it in a second.
Oh, I smell it just killing me.
We're such manly women.
I can't seem to get one going.
Okay, if you squeeze your boobs, it helps. Yeah, it makes them more forceful.
But I don't have any boobs.
Either do I.
It really is.
And mine are fake, so that's not gonna
help.
Wait, I can't.
This is so funny. I so miss having my kids home. My kids are all in college now. You don't have to come over just to play at my house.
Oh, okay, become funny.
It's definitely. Oh, there you go. Here, wait, I gotta try that.
Hey, wait, I think I could do it too if I drink enough beer.
How do you do it?
I'm not doing it either. We need to be drinking root beer.
We need to get more root beer. Oh, we have a big thing of root beer, I just remembered. Yeah. Good one.
Wait. That thing in the refrigerator is not root beer, that's beer. That's raspberry beer.
No, not that one.
Okay.
That was not over the top.
Why is that bed all messed up?
Wait a minute.
Speaking of accidents, when I was 8.
I got one. Squeeze your
Squeeze, I just did
When I was 10, I served my friends wine coolers because I thought it was fruit punch. When Mabel brought them, I thought it was fruit punch, and I served them wine coolers.
Did you act funny? Woo! That's a shifty one. Oh, okay. Alrighty, that was great.
So is this your guest room?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the leopard guest room.
Yes.
Stay the night at your house?
You know what? It's so funny. When Laura was
Little, she went nuts over leopards. And so everything in her room was leopard, and then even before it went to trial. And so we had all this stuff for
Wait.
we went to the leopard room. There you go. Lauren, I love your room.
Where's
Thank
the kitty?
you.
Have you seen it?
And I
No.
actually really want to write on the wall. But I'm going to wait
You
till
should.
you guys are out of town.
Okay.
Definitely write something on the wall.
Over. Mine are
Guys, I
about to
feel
throw
really
up.
upset. I don't.
I thought Lauren's.
Stop. Wait, no, I have a good one. I have to finish mine and then we'll stop it. You can still burp. I gotta get my. Woo!
Slap the zone out of you. Nurse, LOL. Whoa, dude, you. One time at band camp.
I don't know what this is.
Go faster. I spy gum.